Hey guys, this is Geek Out Everything, and today in this video we're going to be doing the pod guide video for the $5,000 gaming and productivity PC build. So in this video I'm going to be talking about all the parts that you should consider if you are building a gaming PC under $5,000 mark, which is really overkill. So now let's get started with the part list. So the processor that we're choosing is AMD Ryzen 5950X, which is the fastest CPU that you can get right now. So we are going to be using that. And for the AIO for the CPU, we're going to be using the Asus ROG Strix one, which is really good because of the looks. It's white, and we are going with the white color scheme. So yeah, that's really fits with that. And for the motherboard, we're going to be using the MSI Mac X570 Tomahawk, which is not like crazy expensive. It's like priced finely. It's coming in our budget, and it has basically everything we need. It has Wi-Fi as well, so yeah, that's plus point. And for the RAM, we are going with the G-Skill Trident C, which is two 16GB sticks of 36 MHz and CL16, the CL16, which is like pretty good. And now for the storage, we are going with the Seagate Barracuda 2TB. It just comes down to your personal preference, like how much storage you want. You can go with the 1 TB as well, you can go with the 4 TB as well. It just comes down to your personal preference. And for the SSD, we are going with the Samsung 980 Pro, which is 1 TB M.2 SSD, in which we're gonna be using to store our games or video files or all that stuff. And for the video card, we are going to be using the EVGA GeForce RTX 3090, which is really a beast of a GPU, so we can use it for gaming and even productivity as well. And for the case, we are going with the Lee Dynamic ATX. We are going with this case because it has basically everything we need. The thermals are really good on this one. It also looks pretty good. We are going with a white color scheme, and it has white inside, so yeah, that's a pretty good thing. And for the power supply, we're going to be using the Corsair RMX 1000 watt. We're going with 1000 watt just in case GPU, when they run in stress, they have those power spikes. So because of that, we're going to be using 1000 watt, which is 80 plus gold certified from Corsair, not Crosshair. So yeah, that's about it, guys. This is all the part list. I have the link in the description below, so you can just check that out. And for the fans, you can use any fans you want. I haven't listed the fans here because it just comes down to your personal preference, like what fans you like. So all the total of a build is 4726, excluding the fans. You can use any fans you want. And yeah, that's about it. If you just simply like this video, hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button. That'll be really helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, peace out.